Hey, what's up guys? So, re-update on a video about the update that I did last week, basically around the period of 19th of October, somewhere here. So, as I said, two scenarios could play out. We could or reject here, continue more to the downside again to 9,000, to 10,000, 9,500, 8,600, and so on, even till all the way to 6,000, basically. Or we could break up here and just go all the way up to 15, 16k. So that's basically what I said. But as we see here, this zone here, where we are precisely located right now, can be a rejection zone, right guys? So remember that here, going long might be risky. If you didn't cut along here or here somewhere, then let it run and wait for a retest to the downside. Remember, healthy markets, always pull back. It's normal and it's healthy. So if we would pull back here and we start to reject around 13,800, 14,000, I expect Bitcoin to roughly pull back to these levels, at least till here, to refill this empty space, and this level would correlate with the golden ratio. If we pull the FIB level to 14k here, yep, exactly located at the golden ratio. So an important level to watch out for. If we break this level, we'll fall easily back down to 10,500 guys, and potentially even to 9,500, 9,000. So that's something that I look out for. Let's say we do continue, going to the upside on this trend, then like I said in the former video, there's nothing much less of resistance in the way to reach 15 or 16,000 again. If we reach this level, I expect pullbacks to come in. So let's make it clear. Pullback level and this one as well. Here. Pullback level. So this is what I'm looking for, guys. These are potential pullback levels that I'm watching out for. So no, I'm not gonna go long here anymore. I went long somewhere here around when I made a video. We in the private group, we went long here for a small 1,000 to 300 pips, something like that. So pretty nice to catch. If we look at the daily, we can see that there's a lot of space to be retested again, guys. Again, if we pull simply the FIB levels from point A to point B, where I target here from now, we have a lot of empty space to retest back to the downside, to retest the trend line, and from there on we can see what Bitcoin will do: hold support or continue to the downside to refill the 10,500 and potentially the $9,500 region. Now let's talk about Ripple. So Ripple, a kind of mixed feeling that I basically have, and it will align with Bitcoin. Let's say Bitcoin breaks above 14k region and we continue to 15, 16k. Then for Ripple, as I said on my Instagram post yesterday basically as well, is that if Ripple breaks above 26 cents again, this level, there's nothing much more in the way to just fulfill the right shoulder on the weekly here, on the weekly, to continue to 28, 29, 30 cents. And if we break 30 cents, which if we look on the monthly, 30 cents is a monthly structure key level. So if we break that, there's nothing much more in the way to even continue up higher to, as I said, to a potential 50 cents. Of course, step by step, we patiently wait to anticipate what will happen. Now, as I said as well, if this bearish pattern comes true, it has kind of two ways to go. If it comes true, we retest around maximum here, this level, and we just skyrocket to the upside to 30 cents. Or Bitcoin continues to the upside to 16K, and we just skyrocket already to 30 cents and then potentially 35, 40 cents. So those are two things I'm looking out for Ripple. And remember guys, when I provide TAs or technical analysis to say better in a video or whatever, it's not my intention to give you certain signals or trades or whatever. My intention is to give you the key levels in crypto to look out for, where you can potentially sell some crypto or buy some more crypto or whatever. These are key levels that you need to use in your advantage, guys. That's where education comes in. I'm not the type of guy that likes to give trades, for example, every day or whatever. Like, just keep it simple. Follow the key levels and you'll get there. If you have ever a question, you can always send me on Instagram and I will help where I can. Now, an interesting fact that I saw as well on Ripple is this pattern from 2017, somewhere in May, June, July, till we broke out for an all-time high on Ripple. Wow, excuse me guys, in December, around mid-December. So, as I say, history often repeats, but not exactly in the same way. What I mean with that is, in my opinion, this pattern kind of forms a similarity pattern. You can say like, this is the left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder to fulfill, and then it eventually skyrocketed. A little bit the same here, a little bit triangle forming as well. So it kind of depends on how you see it and how open-minded you are about it. It's something that I rather say as well, because I do think that there is a chance that Ripple could break out again around this period at the apex, roughly here, at the apex of this channel. Now, of course, it depends. If we go down here for Ripple, I expect it to be in a fast spike. So we go down like happened here, maybe in a fast spike, and boom, we go all the way up again to fulfill a more proper right shoulder. If not, we just break above 26 cents and we go up. So basically that's what I'm looking for Ripple. Super easy, but it's a waiting game for now. But I expect Ripple to, if we hold support here, if we continue around mid-December, maybe beginning January, there might be a breakout for Ripple if we stay within this zone. Now, let's say, yeah, Ethereum. So Ethereum looks pretty nice as well, and as well, from what I said in the former video, let me go back to the daily. Here on 19th of October, somewhere here, there's a high chance, just again by simply pulling the FIP level, guys, that Ethereum could go back to $420, $425, and we kind of missed it with like 8 cents maybe. So we can pretty say it was pretty accurate what I said. And from what I see on the daily is, and that's what I expect as well, Bitcoin to pull back sooner or late, is we are making this pattern to be more clear on Ethereum, and we are hitting a resistance again. So I expect Ethereum to go down back to $330, $329, and for Bitcoin will remain the same, that we go down to or a 12,000 again, or 11,500, 600, this region, and that would align, these levels would align with Ethereum going back to these levels. If Bitcoin holds support here, we go up to 16K, and this would align with me, with my fucking hell, my English today. But this would align with me seeing Ethereum go up, then further to a, let me go to the weekly. Yes, for Ethereum to go up to a $600-700 and even potentially higher to an $800. So that's what I'm looking out for as well on Ethereum. Pretty simple, but all will be determined by Bitcoin. If Bitcoin stays down, the rest of the market will most likely follow. If Bitcoin wants to continue going up, the rest of the market will eventually follow as well. Now, Litecoin, obviously the same view that I still have. We need to patiently wait for Litecoin, but things are looking good. Pretty bullish weekly candle. We are now hitting the golden ratio zone again. If we simply pull our FIP levels from here to here, wick high to wick low, we simply perfectly hit the 61.8/65% FIP level / the golden ratio. So from here on, I always wait. I never gonna go long on this level. I rather patiently wait to see what Bitcoin will do and what the markets decide to do. If we reject here, we most likely come down again to a $50 region, potentially $45 again, to then continue to the upside. So things looking again pretty easy, guys. As I said, I'm looking for pullbacks. I'm not gonna go long anymore on Bitcoin or Ripple or whatever. I'd rather wait for a healthy pullback than just like FOMO in, if you know what I mean. Now, yesterday I called a new long-term call in the public group, which is Cardano, which is 88 USD. I'm a pretty big fan of this cryptocurrency. I did stack in a lot when Cardano was around 2 to 5 cents. I accumulated heavily on this crypto, so I'm in a very nice profit, and normally my Cryptomindd members, my private Cryptomindd members, should be as well. And a little bit the same story for Cardano and Ripple, forming a bearish pennant on the daily. So if we measure it, we could potentially see Cardano back at a 6 cents region, which I prefer to target, but a 4 cents is possible as well. So between a 4 and a 6 cents, I expect Cardano to come to a pullback soon. But again, guys, this all aligns with Bitcoin. And again, I want to repeat that I give you the key levels in crypto. I don't want to give you certain setups to say go short now or go long or short at this level. No, these are key levels that you can use in your advantage to maybe take profits or activate more buy orders or whatever. I give 99 to almost 99.99% of what you need. It's just the way how you will adapt to it. That's it, guys. Like, it's that simple. Don't make it too complicated. Don't overcomplicate things at all. Just keep it chill. Follow the key levels and you will get there. Simple as that, guys. Alright, so if there are any questions about this, you can always let me know. I will post this on Instagram, obviously. Make sure as well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, and if you need help, send me a message. And that's it, guys. Peace.